Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Sleepy ginger kitty. Just really finding where everything goes. Mapping out those shapes. And remember, less is more. Find a spot for the eyes. It's just gentle lines at this stage. And pop those sleepy little eyes in. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, or just tell me about yourself. I love to hear from you. If you're giving me an idea for a video, say video idea in capital letters first, and that'll help me find it. Just really start strengthening up some of the lines I want to keep, keeping in mind that less is more. Just kind of want the gesture of this kitty in that relaxed state. It's easy to overdo it with nose lines, with nostrils and stuff. We just want a gentle touch of that. If anything, you know, in a lot of drawings, just a simple little triangle will do. And some tabby stripes, of course. They're really good for adding expression. And that's all I'm going to do for toe lines, just a suggestion, because you really don't see a lot of it. If you see a cat from across the room or whatever, even if you see them up close, it's kind of hidden in their fur. I notice I'm not even drawing any fur here. It's just, you know, suggestions of tabby stripes. Give a suggestion of fur. But we know it's a cat. It's just the shape of the hairdo I want more than anything. Erasers are great for toning down some of the lines that got on there a little bit too harsh. Whiskers, thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.